video, we work on the 820, set up the pool cover for winter, and go to BunchBerry Meadows for a hike with a few of our friends. Then we work on the shop, get a bunch more gravel tamped in, finish the drywall and insulation, and try to wrap everything up so we can get the bus inside for winter. Steel larches go on pretty easy. Takes 2 to 4 people to set it up.
Start of rebuild on the 820.
Any other chores?
Next project?
Yeah. Here, Mike.
Clutches. See how many clutch plates
You gotta turn it off, it's still filming.
How many clutch plates are in there?
Oh, these ones.
Holy.
So much to wear out.
Crazy. BunchBerry Meadows Conservation Area is located 30 kilometers from downtown Edmonton, Alberta in Parkland County. It is home to one of Canada's old-growth forests, meadows, and wetlands, and is 640 acres in size. We were so surprised by all the large trees. Definitely a must-see if you are in the area. Something about that is very satisfying, everybody. Very satisfying. Are you just like Papa and Daddy? Are you driving your tractor? Veronica, what do tractors say?
Bow, bow, bow. Bow, bow.
Pop, 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 pop. Well guys, making progress. Looking good. Got some more gravel on its way.